Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your XIAOMI 17T. So if you're using USB-C headphones, then make sure to clean the charging port. This is very important because it can block the connection, and basically if you have any dust in it, it will block the connection. So we want to clean it with a soft brush. Of course, we got it at the bottom here. Now you can also inspect it for any visible damage or any debris inside, and the dust, of course. What are we gonna do next is, after doing that, we're gonna restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So press the power button, volume up button at the same time. Nice. Now swipe down to reboot, and now let go, and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is, if you're using an adapter, for example for any 3.5mm headphone, then make sure that you use an original one or a certified one. This is very important because if you use some cheap adapters, it can break down any second. You will have no idea when or why and why that happened. So that's why we want to make sure that we use an original one. Of course, you can try another pair of headphones, so you can either use those USB-C or the accessory ones. And now, as a last resort, you can update your phone software. So you do that by going into settings, tapping on about phone, and now on the HyperOS. Once you click on it, you'll be here, and I have no updates available right at the bottom here. But if you do have an update available, you will see it where the Xiaomi community button is, and you'll simply update your software to the latest version. So now let's go over and talk about the Bluetooth headphones. What are we gonna do first is we need to go over to Bluetooth, and if your Bluetooth is enabled, then we want to turn it off and turn it on. Now what are we gonna do is, if you got any headphones paired, we need to forget them and repair them. So as you guys can see here, I got my AirPods paired. Now what are we gonna do is, we're simply gonna go over and swipe down to unpair. Now as you guys can see, they should be gone. Here I got the old ones, and now of course it won't pair properly. As you guys can see, it won't pair, but what you guys want to do is go over and we can repair them. So I got the AirPods 2 Pros. Now they have a button on the bottom to click, and of course you just hold it and pair it. So every pairing process looks different. I'm not gonna repair them here, but every single process is different, and you need to know how to enter your pairing mode. Then you will simply hit on refresh and it will look for your device. So now make sure that you charge your headphones fully. This is very important because we want to make sure that there's 100% guarantee that they are not just discharged to 0%. And of course, make sure to avoid any device interference so that you don't have any other device plugged into, or your headphones just connected to any other device. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is go to about phone, tap on the factory reset, and here you can erase all data. So this is very important. If nothing else works, you can factory reset your phone and it will work properly. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.